It's a persistent world, so it'll put me right back where I was when I logged out, including having the same gear out. I'll put this away. Now, anybody that logs into this that might be doing a demo or using this Afghanistan site and would see this rig sitting there, whether I was there or not. So I got to put it away because it looks a little out of place in Afghanistan.
And is it all like DEM data, so the terrains are?
The terrain follows, and I can get you the tech specs on it, but they've offered an open source, open standard way to do page train format.
Right.
So see, this thing has lip sync as well, which I didn't show people.
Okay.
So this is actually broadcasting my voice in world. So what we can have, if we have another machine, we can get two of it. What I'm just saying now live is I'm hitting the space bar to talk. So I hit the space bar and now I'm talking in world. You see over my head, you see it modulated. And that lets you know who in world's actually talking.
Oh, so whatever you're saying here
is
is
going in
there.
world right now. Right.
Okay.
So you'd be able to hear it if your avatar was standing next to me. And it's spatial, so if I was on the right, you'd hear me on the right and left.
Yeah, nice.
Let's see what my flying skills are today.
Is there any developments you're looking at of integrating the mixed reality, augmented reality stuff into these spaces or into a workflow that might use them? Playing the cameras and the